Okay, children, we will continue this. Fill in the blanks we have seen in the last class. Now we are going to see the next exercises in this page number. Same page number only we are having. So same page number, we will see this. Page number 107 only. In this, join the words with the correct prefix. Join the word. Join the word with correct prefix. So you join the words with the correct prefix. Here they are given paid, okay, yeah, send, able, and continue. So these four words are given, and down one the un, dis, this, then re, re, then pre, pre. So we have to join the words. So un varumbodhu we can write first one is unable. Second one discontinue, discontinue, discontinue. Then third one resend, திருப்பி அனுப்பிடுறது resend. And fourth one prepaid, முன்னாடியே pay பண்ணிடுறது. So we have to use this prefix with this joining word. So இது தனியாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Everything they are given separately and we have to join these two words. Okay. So that one is done. Unable, discontinue, resend, and prepaid. And third one is write the rhyming word. Write the rhyming word. Rhyming word. So what is the rhyming word here? This rhyming word, save. We can write gave. Save, gave. The second one, countries. Countries. We can write pantries. Countries, pantries. And third one, larder. Larder. You can write starter. Larger and shorter. So we are given the poem, no? That you can recite the poem. The next one is write the words given in the brackets in correct tenses. Write the words given in brackets. Given in brackets in correct tenses. So in this, first one, I dash, இது வந்து C. In accidentally. I saw. Second one, we dash, we move. We moved. Back to city. Yesterday. Okay. Then third one, Rani dash tomorrow. Rani dash, இங்க வந்து meet னு இருக்கு. Meet Ria. Tomorrow வந்தாலே நாளைக்கு is a future tense. So you have to write will use பண்ணணும். So Rani will meet Ria tomorrow. Then write the past forms of the verbs. Here they have given the pictures in the same page. Page number 108. So previous also that page number 108 only. Here write the past form of the verbs. Write the past form. Past forms of the verbs. What is that? One boys run, that is ran. Then eat, ate. Then swim, swam. Okay. So this is the past forms of the verbs they are given. Okay, children. And now, next one in this. So we are finished in this lesson and they asked to recite the poem. So I have already taken the poem. That is, the poem is about the swimmer. The what do humans say? Okay. So ants pile food in the ant hill. They eat it during the winter's chill. Wolves dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in channels. Crocodiles are found in countries. They store food in their pantries. Squirrels reserve food in a larder. They store a 7-course meal with a starter. Leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in a granary, soon to be packed in the cannery. What do you say? Everything that nature gave. So all this in this book, you have finished. So go through the exercises, question answers, what all I have given, and memorize the poem also. This is the poem. You have to memorize this. What do humans say? And this one in meanings also we have finished. Everything you have finished. So learn this poem and memorize all the full poem. You can memorize this, children. And then now. Okay, now we'll see the everything you have finished and a poem. Shall you learn the poem once again? I'll go through the poem. Ant piles food in the ant hill. They eat it during the winter's chill. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. Crocodiles are found in many countries. They store food in their pantries. Squirrels reserve food in a larder and they store a 7-course meal. Okay. 7-course meal with a starter. And leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in the granary, soon to be packed in a cannery. What do you store? What do you say? Everything that nature gave. So this is the lesson and some of the past tenses. Shall we write the tenses? We write the tenses for this lesson. This is not in your book, so I'll give it. Say wisely in this lesson. We can write some of the tenses. So tenses we can write child, you can write children. Then spend, spend. Child, children. Then decide, decided. Then enjoy, enjoyed. Then buy. This is the tenses. Bought. Then save, saved, save, saved. Again, open, this opened. So what are the tenses they given? Then start, started. Start, started. Then buy, bought. That we have finished. Buy, bought. Then teach, teach, taught. So like this, you can find out some of the tenses and write. Okay, so learn this also. Meet, met. Meet, met. Then eat, ate. Like that it will come. So these are the tenses. So find out these tenses and learn this, children. So you have completed the lesson. So what all you have learned in this fully, you can learn. Thank you. Children, now we'll see this. One more exercises. You have finished everything, no? So learn this poem also, the first term, the real wealth. The second term. So finished everything. So the page number 85, they are given, read the advertisement and answer the questions given below. So that also you can, you have written the question answers. So learn that one also. And about the Kamarajar, we have written on the day. So learn about the Kamarajar. I have given the Kamarajar as a paragraph. They are given the some of the hints they are given. So in page number 86, they are given the hints like this. Birth 15th July 1903, place of birth born in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu, known as Kingmaker and Karma Veera, and achievements midday meal scheme and reforms in education, and death 2nd October 1975, and honor Bharat Ratna 1976, and position held Chief Minister in Tamil Nadu. So these are the hints they are given. We have to write it as a paragraph. So Kamarajar, about the Kamarajar I have already written in this. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. You can write it as a point by point. He was born to Kumarasamy and Sivagami Ammal. So we can add some more sentences. So I have written here, he was born to Kumarasamy and Sivagami Ammal. He was known as Kingmaker and Karma Veera. His achievements were midday meal scheme and reforms in education. And he was the third Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. And he died on 2nd October 1975, and he was given the Bharat Ratna Award in 1976. So 7 sentences are there. So you can make a sentences. And one more thing, and write another biography on any personality. So you can, if you want to know any other personalities particularly, you can write like this for 7 lines like this. You can write any personalities. About Abdul Kalam, you can write Indira Gandhi, and about a national leaders, so many national leaders, those who are all there. So you can write that also. Okay, children. So learn this hints கொடுத்து அதிலிருந்து நீங்கள் வந்து you can write it as a paragraph. So this is the thing. And here in this write the paragraph in they are given the advertisements, and you have to write the question answer seeing this advertisements that is on page number. So that also will come here in this page number. I think before the Kamarajar, yes, page number 85 you can see. Here also they are given like this a passage. Watch and click camera. They are given the advertisement like this and asking the question answers. Okay. So here in this watch and click offer, get a camera free. They are given the advertisement. And when you buy a brand new LED TV, 43 inches screen with Dolby Atmos sound system, hurry. So DTH சொல்லுவாங்களே அந்த சிஸ்டம் இருக்குது, சவுண்ட் சிஸ்டம். அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் அ லிமிட்டட் டைம் ஆஃபர், ஓப்பன் அப் டு 30th August. Contact Bright Vision Television. They are given the advertisement like this. So you have to write the following questions. What is the advertisement about? It is about the branded new LED TV. Okay. We are given a watch and click, get a camera free. Camera பத்தியில camera free கிடைக்கும். எதுக்குனாக்கா the branded new LED TV. Okay. So they will ask the question, what is the advertisement about? It is about a branded new LED TV. What is free for LED TV? A camera is free for LED TV. And what is the size of the screen? The size of the screen is 43 inches. And when does the offer end? They are given the 30th August. So offer ends at by 30th August. What is the name of the dealer? At the last day I given Bright Shunt Television. Okay. So read this paragraph and answer this question. In this paragraph they are shown the camera, but camera is free for only the LED TV. So seeing this, read the answer properly, this paragraph properly, and write the answer correctly. Okay children, so this also we have finished this. So this Kamarajar composition and passage, read the passage and answer the following questions, all will come for the test. Thank you children.